Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to share with you unforgettable recipe of most wanted Greek salad. So as you know, Greek cuisine has a lot of things, but Greek salad is the most famous. So we are going to get started, but before that, if you like our videos, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Let's get it started. So for the starters, let's see what type of ingredients we are going to have for our Greek salad. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. We need 4 tablespoons. Then we are going to need apple vinegar. I have here 2 tablespoons. We are going to have white cheese, also called feta cheese. Then we are going to have our rocks with dried mint. We are going to have our black olive oils and green olive oils. Also, we are going to need 1 small onion, 1 cucumber, 1 tomatoes, and 1 green pepper. As for the spices, we are going to need salt, little bit of salt. We are going to need oregano, and then we are going to need black pepper. Guys, I have separated 1 more oregano here because we are going to use it in different place. So let's start with olive oil. We are going to need 4 tablespoons in total. Here I'm going to use 3 tablespoons, guys. So 1, 2, and 3. On top of it, we are gonna add our vinegar. It is apple vinegar, guys. You can add, I try to spread it. Then I add our spices. Guys, if you want to be sure that it's mixed, you can just with your finger mix them all. And then again, you will spread it to this mix. What we want to do here is we don't want our spices to be disappearing, but we want them to be alive still. All right. So guys, then we are gonna add here first our tomatoes. After that, you are gonna add your peppers, guys. Just spread them around. Then we are gonna add our onion. You can just spread them all. Then we are gonna add our cucumber. Then we are gonna add our olives. You can mix them so you have 2 different colors. Some people cut the feta cheese as 1 big piece and then they put it in the middle, but I prefer to cut it like this so it will be much more easier and comfortable for us to eat. Now we are gonna add our additional 1 tablespoon. So this is the 4th tablespoon of olive oil. Now we are gonna add our oregano. They smell good and they're gonna give really nice taste to our green salad. And we also have this rust I have prepared myself, guys. If you want, you can also prepare squares like this with a dried mint on top. Dried mint gives really nice taste and nice smell. So for that, I'm gonna use them here. Guys, bon appetit. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please don't forget to click the like button. And if you want, you can also subscribe to our channel. Wishing you to have a nice evening. Bye bye.